Okay, in the last class, we already completed the different types of devices here, modem and all. Let me go on through the switches and all, routers, how the working of this. Let me repeat it again. Repeaters we already explained in the last class. Repeaters. Then let's go to the hub. A hub is basically a multi-port repeaters. A multi-port repeaters means multiple port which will broadcast to the each and every port. Let's see here. This is a hub. Okay, this is the hub. Then this is data sent by one node. Then it goes to the node from node to the hub device. Then the hub broadcasts to each and every port. Okay, hub broadcasts to each and every port, to each and every node. Okay, to each and every node through the port. So this is called the broadcast. Hub is a broadcast technology. It's different with the switch. So it broadcasts and it's not secure. We can say that those systems, the receiver node can access the data. If the data not for this system, that can access it. Let's see here. Data sent from this first computer to the hub, then this data only for this. But this middle tree node receive the same data. But this is based on the MAC address. Then the network adapter rejected the data. So if an expert of expert engineer or a computer network engineer can tap the message or data, so this type of networking is not secure. And also it's create a collision domain. Collision is very high in this type of. And let's go to the bridge. A bridge operates at data link layers of the OSI reference model. A bridge is a repeaters. It's work like a repeaters, which add a functionality of filters contents to reach by reading the MAC address. Okay, it's reading the MAC address. I already explained in the last class that notepad. Let's see. In a computer in a computer networking, each and every devices, network enabled devices having an address, address. That this address, we can say that the physical address. The first one is the logical address. We'll learn it later. This is the IP address, and the next one is the physical address. Physical address. This is called MAC address, media access control address. Okay, these are the two addressing system in the computers. Each and every computer is having this addressing system. We can say, like your mobile phone also having a two addressing system, and like smart TV, smart car, those all those let's say devices, we can say devices having this addressing systems. Okay, logical address and IP address. Okay, and here let me explain. Let me show you this one. IP config slash all. Here in this IP configuration, I am having this different types of network configuration here. This is my wireless LAN, and this is the Ethernet adapter. In this Ethernet adapters here, we are having this physical address. This is my physical address, and this IP address is my IP version 4 address is the logical address. Okay, physical address and the logical address. So a bridge is repeaters which add on the functionality of filter content by reading the MAC address of source and destinations. So it's working on the MAC address. MAC address means the physical address. Physical address we cannot modify. Okay, we cannot alter it the address. So it's written this address during the time of manufacturing of the network card in your mobile phone, also in the smartphone, also tablet, also laptop, server, all those devices, smart TV, all those things, those make address written during the time of manufacturing. Okay, we cannot alter this one, but the logical address we can change it. Okay, IP address we can change it. There is no issue. It is also used for the interconnecting two LANs working on the same protocol. Protocols already explained that this is the set of rules. We'll learn it later. This is ISO reference models and TCP/IP, UDP. There's lots of protocols are there to follow for transferring from one system to another. Okay, from one device to another devices. So one devices or multiple devices. For connecting this one, we need a protocol like FTP, SDP, SMTP, ICMP. All those things comes under the protocols. Without protocols, we cannot communicate. We cannot transfer the data from one computer to another computer. So these are the things in this. Sorry, the webcam is already running. Where is